Okay, so I'm going to continue on from duplicating layers to the next part, which is to group layers in a folder. And then this is for organizational purposes. And then you're going to move layers together. And then I'm going to show you how to hide groups and hide layers. So I'm going to continue on and create myself a nose. So I'm going to use a triangle, create myself a nose like that. And then I'm going to make the fill color a different color. So let's make it boogery green. I'm just joking. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it into place. So let's say I put it right here. That's my middle, I guess. I'm just taking a guess right here. And then I'm going to create a mouth by using the rectangle tool. Okay, like this. All right. I know it looks like very robot-y. And then I'm going to use blue just to change it up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna just change it to use yellow instead. Okay, so there we go. All right, so we have this kind of face looking thing, right? Okay, I'm gonna manipulate this later. But back to the story. The story is, how do we create groups? So you're gonna have this plus sign, I mean not plus sign, next to the plus sign, you're gonna have this folder. You click on that folder, and then look, right here, you're creating a group. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say I want the eyes to be in one group, okay? All right, and then I'll just double click this and I'll label this as eyes, okay? And then look what I can do. When I am doing, let's say I want to move the eyes around, but not the nose and the mouth. So, and I want to move the eyes at the same time and keep them like the same distance from each other. What you can do here is you can click on the layer for the groups, go to the move tool, and then you can move both eyes together. I'll do Command Z here. Now, you can only do this if you have this auto select turned off. Okay, so if I turn auto select on, all right, and then I click on my eyes, and then I click on one of these eyes and I move, see, I only move one eye because this auto select is going to select the layer that I clicked on only, not the actual group. So I'm going to do Command Z. I'm going to uncheck auto select, and then I'm going to go to the group, and then I'm going to be able to move the group together. Command Z. If I want to move the eye individually, I can click the eye layer inside of the group, and then I can use the move tool and I can move the eye independently. Okay, so that is how you create a group and how to move the groups together for organizational purposes. And as I did A and B, now I'm going to do C, which is to hide layers in groups. So you have these little eye icons right here. See this? You click on that and the left eye will disappear. This eye icon right here, toggle visibility. Okay, look. Yes, I like the eye there. Or let's say if you like don't want to see the nose there, he's like, oh, okay, now it's very robot-y without a nose. Okay, look at that. There you go. That is how you hide what you don't want to see. So that way you can kind of test out designs and see if you like it or not and where you place it and everything like that. Okay, so I'm going to end the video now and then start the next one.